Hey everybody, welcome back. Keeping with our jerky theme and learning how to use this jerky cannon, we're going to make some snack sticks. That involves kind of stuffing a collagen sausage casing with seasoned meat. So what we have here is we're going to use the LEM Jerky Cannon, and you can see it's going to have the round end. We're going to use some of these collagen casings, 19 millimeter. That'll fit over that. This is the seasoning that came with the jerky cannon for snack sticks. I'm not sure if it has any heat in it, but I'm going to add a teaspoon of cayenne. According to the package, this is 2 tablespoons plus half a teaspoon. This is a quarter teaspoon of curing salt that comes with it. And here I have 1 pound of 93% lean chopped meat. Alright, I didn't have the camera on. What I did was I took the seasoning and the curing salt, I added it to that half a cup of water, and we're going to mix that in with the ground beef. So this is going to marinate overnight. Mix it up real good. And that'll be it. I'm going to cover it, throw it in the fridge overnight, and then we'll be back tomorrow to stuff it. All right, so we're back. I got here that collagen casing, so I think this little piece will be fine. Let me figure this out. I guess I undo it. Stuff feels like snake skin. I'm gonna make little logs out of these to load that up, that jerky cannon. And again, this is only about a pound, a little bit more than a pound. And you can hear my dehydrator going in the background. Okay, we got it all loaded up. I gotta feed this onto here. Guess you can only do a little bit at a time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a couple squeezes until I start seeing some. There we go. Oop. And then we'll tie this off. Alright. And there's air in it. I'm just going to give it a little snip. There we go. Alright, that was fairly easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some out so I can tie it off. There, not bad. Cut the excess off. And I have one little meat stick. Okay, now we'll load it up again. Okay, so here's my second one. See if we can make them all the same size. Okay, so you get the idea, you know, and this is my first time doing it, so it's not that hard. So let me get these done, and then we'll be back. Okay, so these meat sticks have been going for 6 hours, and I think they're done. Right. Okay. I'm going to just cut off a piece of the end and have a little taste. So when you cut it, that's what it looks like inside. All right. Not bad. Similar to Slim Jim, definitely. And I'm glad I put that cayenne in there. Get a little heat. Oh yeah, this is definitely a you know, a must. I will definitely do this again several times. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this gives you some ideas on maybe getting into doing something like this. So yes, I am very pleased with the LEM Jerky Cannon purchase, and I will leave a link to that in the description. Thanks.